blacktop road before starting smart road. When we are about to step on the smart road, you will see the difference. The authorities don't take initiative to polish this part. When the rain comes, it will be flooded. Here is the condition of the road. There are no proper drainage system. Walk through the entire stretch. There should be some urgent action before it rains. This smart road should have been better than the blacktop roads in the city. It has turned out to be the worst. There are many officers in and around. Another sports building coming up here. It will also add to the misery of the people who have to travel this side. So the smart road ends here. Tar Construction Company was entrusted with the task of completing this smart project. It was part of 6-kilometer road, and a small portion is here in Lachaumiere. Over 10 crore rupees was sanctioned. Later, Deputy Chief Minister in charge, Urban Affairs, Snehapalang Dar, said that the road will be constructed under state fund, and it is already done but remains incomplete.